Iyak ako kasi naalala ko talaga yung tatay ko ba. Later. Hi guys! Good morning! Kakarating ko lang galing Zumba. Tignan nyo naman guys, nasuot ko na yung orange ko na pang-exercise ko. And ngayon pala dapat magsuot ng orange sa papuntang gym kasi I think donation ng food for Food America, something ganon. So, mag-donate na lang ako ng money online. And, si Mr. pala, hold on. Si Mr. umalis na. Iniwanan dito si Brianna. Si Mr. at saka si Liam umalis sila. Nagpunta sa Peter Piper Pizza. Kasi si Brianna may aatin na birthday mamaya. 12, what time ba? 12:30? Okay, can you take it out this, say hi.
You said to go to
What?
shower.
Well, you said you have plenty of time. Nasubuan pa ka. Go. Well done. So, Liam excited?
Yeah.
Kalat ng bahay. Yeah, Liam excited to go to Peter Piper Pizza, right?
I thought you said.
Hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos ng bahay, guys, kasi nagising ako ng 8:30. Nanood kami ni Liam ng nanood kami ni Liam ng sa kanibaba ng soccer. Yes? Yeah! It's okay. Just put it to the sink. And then, namalayan ko yung oras. Wala na. Late na pala ako sa Zumba ko, guys. Kaya, I think na-late ako ng 55. No. Na-late ako ng 5 minutes sa Zumba ko. Okay lang din. At nagkapag-burn tayo ng calories today. Nagawa tayo ng coffee. I need coffee kasi hindi ako nakainom ng
It's nasty.
coffee kanina. Thanks for helping, Mama. Grabe, dry ng singin ko ngayon ay. Finish up your tidy up first, ano na tayo ngayon, guys? December 14. So, dito tayo ulit sa ating guys. Come on. At ako'y maglinis while you're taking a bath. Taking a shower. 14 tayo ngayon, guys. Kumusta? Malapit na talaga ang Pasko. Okay, 14 tayo ngayon, guys. Ang ganda. Ano siya? Bagong lotion. Bago siyang hand cream. Ganda ng kulay. Ayan yung number 14. So, gawa muna ako ng kape at maglinis ako ng bahay kasi hindi pa ako nakapaglinis. And then, si Brianna maliligo nga. And then, ako yung magda-drop off sa kanya sa guys, sa Ninja Kids kasi doon yung birthday ng kaklase niya. So yeah, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Ang dry ng ko, guys. Ramdam ko talaga yung parang murag kaguran akong Hi guys, ihatid ko na si Brianna and Liam's back. So, sasama tong maliit na to. To the drop off lang namin si Brianna. Hindi pa ako nakaligo, guys. Ba, are you ready?
Yeah. Mom.
Yeah?
No, you want to
Away naman po mo.
What's up, guys?
Hi guys! We are back. Eto, hindi ako makapagligo kasi nilagyan nila ako ng ganito, guys. Para mamaya, ipapakita ko to pag pick upin ko na si Brianna. Mamaya na ako maligo. Then, yung kape ko, hindi ko pa naubos-ubos. And yung isa, yan na oh. Sipa-sipa na siya ng bola. Yan. Hindi na yan siya magsiselos kasi dinala na siya ng daddy niya sa ano. Peter Piper Pizza. Ano bang kainin ko? Hindi ko alam na kainin ko, guys. Hindi pa naman ako gutom, but I need to eat something. Prutas na lang pala. Prutas.
Mommy!
Yes.
Vinny is a sub.
Oh, really?
Even the, not the goalie, I don't know.
Who's the goalie then? The tall guy? May laro ang Real Madrid.
I don't know.
Against, ewan ko anong pangalan ng team na yan. Ayan, kakain tayo ng fruits, guys. Meron ba tayong cottage cheese dito? Kasi, okay. Sabi nila healthy daw kasi to, guys. Kaya, from now on, magkakain. From now on, kakain ako ng cottage cheese with fruits. Okay. Ugas tayo ng ano, guys. Prutas! I think mamaya yung dinner namin is chicken fajita. Chicken fajitas. Okay. Gagawin ko lang ngayon is magligpit ng mga pinalansya ko kagabi. Kagabi pala, guys, nanood kami ng movie. Yes.
Real Madrid is gray.
Gray?
Yeah.
Can you slow down the TV, please?
Now.
Please.
I want to see.
Is the game started already?
No,
No, not yet. Kagabi, nanood kami ng movie na, yung kasi yung family, namin, guys, pag nandito si Mr. nanonood kami ng family movie. Yes.
It's the tall goalie.
Okay.
He's being it.
Especially ngayon na Christmas, yung pinapanood talaga namin is, Christmas movie ba? Mga Christmas movies. Then, yung pinili ko, kasi nga, pang bata, pang family movies, siya, yung 8-bit of Christmas. Yes.
Modric is playing. Mbappe.
No, he got injured.
He's still injured.
Yeah.
He's not playing.
Yeah.
But Vertebrand, Bellingham, and Modric are playing except Vinny.
Vinny? No?
He's a sub.
Okay. Yung 8-bit of Christmas, pinili ko yun, guys, kasi nga, pang bata siya, pang family movies.
They are the tall goalie.
Okay. And then, lately lang, kasi nga, Christmas, lagi kong palapit na yung Christmas, guys, lagi kong naalala yung tatay ko. Hindi ko parang na-miss ko talaga yung tatay ko. Ewan ko ba, lalo na ngayong Christmas na to, na-miss ko siya. So, hindi ko akalain, guys, na yung movie kagabi is talagang yung iyak ko hagulhol, lalo na yung the end ng movie. Kasi yung gusto ng bata, gusto niya yung 19 na games. Yun yung wish niya sa birthday niya, yung lalaki. Tapos yung kapatid niya, parang pot cabbage na something na daw yung dati na hanggang ngayon gusto ng mga bata ba. Para siyang dal na pangit na dal, para siyang lolo. Yung nauso sa atin ngayon na ewan ko hindi ko mabanggit-banggit kasi never kong yan, ginusto din yung dal na yan na pinag-anuhan ng mga artista ngayon, pinagkaguluhan. So yun, yung kapatid niyang babae, yung kapatid niyang babae, gusto niya yung dal nga. So, yung ginawa ng nanay tatay niya, binili yung gusto ng kapatid na babae. Tapos siya, hindi siya binilhan ng 19 guys. Tapos, super na upset siya ba. And then, sabi ng tatay niya, lumabas ka kasi may aso sila, magdampot ka ng mga tae ng aso. Paglabas niya guys, doon sa backyard nila, yung tatay niya pala, niregaluhan siya ng tree house na talagang maganda na tree house guys ba, with all the lights. And then, nakalimutan niya yung games ng Nintendo na games. Kasi yung talaga yung gusto niya, Nintendo na games. Pero super na-appreciate niya, naiyak siya nung pagpunta niya sa backyard, yung binigay ng tatay, yung niregalo ng tatay niya is, tree house. Ay, Diyos ko, naiyak ako guys. Talagang, super tahimik namin yung apat. Pero ako hindi ko talaga napigilan guys, umiyak ako. Kasi naalala ko talaga yung tatay ko ba. And then, yung pinaka-the end na talaga, yung story na yon is yung bata na yon nagiging tatay na rin siya and kuninto niya lang din sa anak niyang babae. And super na-touch ako kasi wala na pala yung tatay niya. Kuninto niya lang na na yun nga yung pinakagusto niya nung maliit pa siya, Nintendo na games, tapos hindi na binigay ng family niya kasi yung binigay ng tatay niya is yung tree house na kahit patay na yung tatay niya, yung tree house is nandun pa rin sa backyard nila guys. Na nahiyak ako, nag-iyak until now. Kasi naalala ko yung tatay ko, kaya, na-miss ko talaga yung tatay ko this time na Christmas, na-miss ko siya. Lagi ko siyang how I wish buhay pa yung tatay ko, diba? So lang, wala na, nandun na sa heaven guys, kaya, sa may mga anak dyan, buhay pa yung parents. Sulitin nyo, kasi wala nang rewind. Totoo yung palabas ni Marian Rivera, at saka ni Dingdong Dantes, wala nang rewind sa buhay guys. Kasi ako nga sabi ko, sana buhay pa yung tatay ko, pero wala na nga. Wala na yung tatay ko, kaya hanggang alaala na lang ako guys. Lalo na ngayong Christmas. Kasi pag maliliit pa kami guys, tuwing Christmas, hindi kami nag-ano na, gusto ko ng bagong laruan, kasi alam namin na hindi afford ng nanay tatay ko. Pero,
Real Madrid is down to 10 players.
Yeah.
Here's Mbappe.
Pero pag Christmas, guys, kumakain talaga kami.
Losing.
Oh no, really? Kumakain talaga kami ng masarap. Hold on, kumakain talaga kami ng masarap na pagkain, guys. At saka hinihintay talaga namin yung 12 o'clock. Nagsalo-salo kami sa sa hapagkainan. So, yun lang yung ko talaga. Walang bagong damit, walang regalo, pero yun lang yung sama-sama kami kumain sa lamesa, guys. Pag 12 o'clock talaga ng gabi.
Look at the replay.
How did that happen?
I didn't see the replay.
I know. Wow. Oh no, somebody's sad is here, guys. It's okay, they'll be back.
No, Mbappe's not playing, that's why.
But that's fine.
Mommy, Real Madrid is down to 10 players.
Really?
Because Mbappe's not playing.
Oh.
Even Vinny.
Oh.
He's sub.
Oh no.
When Real Madrid, Bellingham, and Invertebrate are playing.
So, kakain muna ako nito, guys. Hi, guys! Ang lamig. Tignan nyo naman. Hindi pa ako nakaligo, guys. Si Brianna, nandito na. She's doing her homework. And may dumating na mga package. Kunin natin sa labas. Ayan o. Hoy! Nag-usap ka diha!
Daddy is the most in my...
What? I think kay husband. I don't know. That is package. Ito lang yan. Ito yung sa atin, guys. I think kay husband. Ito yung sa akin. Saan ba ito galing? And then, kay husband. Yan o, si Liam. Parang walang kapaguran yung bata na yan. Ito yung sa akin. Ayan, ito mga pangregalo yan. Diyan ko ilagay sa kilid kay Mr. Don. Come on, do your homework and we'll make our cookies. Or can I have a bath first? And si Mr. Siya yung nag-pick up pala kay Brianna. Nabanggit ko na ba? And then, kagaling niya rin na grocery ng vegetables. Ayan, kasi chicken fajita yung dinner namin. And then the kids, pot pie. Okay. Pot pie for you.
Yeah.
Chicken pot pie. Where's the pot pie that you get out the other day? Did Daddy put it into the freezer, yung chicken pot pie? Chicken. Okay, no. So that will be your dinner tonight. Chicken pot pie. Okay ba? Chicken pot pie and broccoli?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to turn it on the oven now? Huh? How would you make your cookies? Okay. Hi guys! Ang lamig. Tignan nyo naman. Hindi pa ako nakaligo guys. Si Brianna nandito na. She's doing her homework. And may dumating na mga package. Kunin natin sa labas. Ayun o.
What is that?
Hoy! Nag-usa ka diha!
Daddy is the one in my...
What? I think kay husband. I don't know. That is package. Ito lang yan. Ito yung sa atin, guys. I think kay husband. Ito yung sa akin. Saan ba ito galing? And then, kay husband. Yan o, si Liam. Parang walang kapaguran yung bata na yan. Ito yung sa akin. Ayan, ito mga pangregalo yan. Diyan ko ilagay sa kilid kay Mr. Don. Come on, do your homework and we'll make our cookies. Or can I have a bath first? And si Mr. Siya yung nag-pick up pala kay Brianna. Nabanggit ko na ba? And then, kagaling niya rin na grocery ng vegetables. Ayan, kasi chicken fajita yung dinner namin. And then the kids, pot pie. Okay. Pot pie for you.
Yeah.
Chicken pot pie.
Guys, so we're gonna be baking cookies, and now I'm gonna put it in the oven when I'm scared. Oh, my hands.
Watch out. Good job.
It's hard.
It's hot. Don't be too close to your face. I can smell the cookies.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. We can eat this tonight while watching Red One.
Okay. You do your sucker now. Oh.
Oh, I punctured a hole in
What
this
is
one.
kind of... Okay.
I punctured a hole accidentally.
Good job. Okay. I'll be hard later. Okay. Naipit.
2 pieces, that's enough, you think?
We have leftover Indian food. We need to finish this, Daddy.
Yeah, no, I just had a little bit. I had a little taste of it. I kind of used it. There
Yeah.
was just a little bit of the pepper, whatever, the chili.
Yeah.
And I took a little bit of the other one, put it in there, just heated it up. It was good. Just kind of snacked on it while I was watching
Guys, meet my new chef. My
Chef.
handsome chef. Good job. He's the
Handsome?
chef today. I'm tired.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm tired ay. Ikapoy ko. After my bath, I want to sleep now.
After your bath, oh.
Yeah. And kids is playing outside with the neighbor kids. Uy, asa ka? Liam?
What?
What are you doing?
Washing my hair?
Why?
They're dirty.
Ikot-ikot na lang tayo nito. What? Lubat ako guys. Kain tayo.
See lights
What? Can we see lights today?
tomorrow.
Whoa!
Well, I'll take you for a walk.
Iko-close ko na yung vlog namin guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you sa sunod ng vlog. I-on ko pala yung ano, I need Brianna will have a hot pie.
Oh, okay.